Before you begin, remove the stand, I/O port's rear cover, and stand hinge. Removal. Remove the 7 6.5mm P2 Phillips head screws that secure the EMI shield to the chassis. Lift the EMI shield straight up and off of external connectors on the motherboard and remove. Replacement. Align the cutouts in the EMI shield with the external connectors on the motherboard and lower the EMI shield into position on the chassis. Replace the 7 6.5mm P2 Phillips head screws that secure the EMI shield to the chassis.